Imagine using your laptop or desktop computer to perform powerful VOF, volume of fluid simulations. Things like the break of a dam or slushing of fuel in a tank. And wouldn't it be great if you could do that without having to spend a dime on software, just only using free software? In this video, I'm going to show you how, and I'm going to provide you an example which is ready to use. So here are the requirements for hardware and software. I have used a 40-core machine for 8 hours runtime for a high-res mesh, and for the low-res mesh I used just 4 cores and I ran it in 32 hours of time. The software I used is OpenFoam from OpenFoam.com, the version 2306, and for CAD I used FreeCad and post-processing Paraview, and for creating the videos I used FFmpeg. For the ones of you who are impatient and just want to try for themselves, you can download the files from the link below the video, then uncompress it to the folder of your choice and run in your Linux machine first the run mesh script and then the run solver single machine script. And the case should first mesh and then start running from the go. I hope you like this first introduction to this tutorial. In my next section of the tutorial, I will guide you how to mesh this geometry with snappy hex mesh, which is the measure included in OpenFoam. If you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe. And if you want to know how to install OpenFoam in a Linux machine, please click the link above.